Hello，大家，我哋好耐冇拍片啦，我就今日我就會同大家一齊解呢一個2018年嘅 past paper 啦。我哋而家開始啦。呢一條就係一條 books of original entry 同埋 double entry 嘅題目嚟嘅。其實應該對於大家嚟講係比較入門啲嘅題目啦。所以應該冇乜大問題嘅。我哋睇咗 A part 嗰度先。A part 就叫我哋indicate which of Mary's books of original entry should be used to record transaction from 一至到 X 啦，即係1至10全部都要做啦。咁咧，我哋喺開始之前咧，我想同大家溫一溫翻咩係 books of original entry 先嘅。你見到佢提供咗啲名俾你㗎啦，General Journal、Sales Journal、Purchase Journal、Returns Invoice Journal、Returns Hours Journal 同埋 Cash Book 啦。佢供個詞俾你啦，所以一樣啦。老規矩就係如果你串錯字咧，佢就唔會俾分你㗎啦。特別要留意，例如 Purchases Journals 啦、Returns Invoice Journals 啦、Returns Hours Journal 等等咧，呢啲都有 S 嘅。如果你冇寫到 S 嘅話咧，你就會俾人扣分㗎啦。OK？好啦，我驚大家可能已經唔記得咗究竟呢幾個 journal 係點樣分辨啦。我就想同大家好快咁 review 啫。如果你已經記得嘅話，你就 skip 咗呢一部分，直接落我下邊解卷嘅部分噶啦。OK，sales journal 有兩個 criteria 嘅。首先佢一定要係講緊賣 inventory 啦，sell 緊你嘅 inventory 啦。第二就一定係要 on credit 嘅，即係你係要賣緊俾 trade receivables 嘅你嘅 credit customers 嘅。你要 fulfill 到呢兩個 criteria 你就會歸類去 sales journal 度啦。跟住purchase journal 又係啦，又係兩個 criteria 啦，一定係 purchase 緊 inventory 啦，一定係貨啦。第二亦都係 on credit 啦。OK，即係呢一個係 on credit，頭先 sales 係 trade receivables 啦，今次呢個係 trade payables 啦，一定係賒數咁賣貨入貨嘅，呢個就係 purchase journals 啦。Returns invoice journals 係退翻入嚟啊嘛，所以就係我哋嘅 credit customers 退貨俾我哋啦。Returns hours journal 就係我哋退貨出去俾人哋啦，所以佢就係即係我哋嘅credit purchase 退翻貨俾人哋，就係 returns hours 啦。所有 check 啊，或者係 cash 咧，牽涉到錢銀嘅嘢咧，我哋全部入 cash book 啦。其他嘢就會入去 general journal 噶啦。我哋 recall 翻我哋個 accounting cycle 啦，我哋係由寫低佢先。我哋首先係 books of original entry 啦，跟住我哋就會去到一個叫做 ledger 嘅，我哋就會 post 嗰啲 entries 去 ledger 入邊啦，即係我哋嘅 T accounts 啦。跟住我哋就再落去 trial balance 啦，跟住就係 period end adjustment 啦，adjustment，最後就係我哋嘅 financial statements 啦。我希望大家仲係記得呢幾個階段啦。如果你唔記得成個 accounting cycle 嘅話咧，你可以睇翻我 chapter one 嘅片啦，又或者你睇翻 correction of error 嗰度咧，即係我哋會仔細啲講嗰個 accounting cycle 嘅。Anyway，而家我哋呢一條題目就主要集中喺頭嗰兩個階段啦。books of original entry 咧，你當佢係一個即係流水賬嚟嘅啫。即係例如嗰日發生咗，可能我入咗錢入去 bank 嗰度，我 record 喺個 cash book 嗰度啦。我就按日子順住落去 mark，係一本按時序嘅簿嚟嘅。而 ledger 就係我哋嘅 T account 我哋就會將嗰一啲 transaction 由 books of original entry 我哋就抄翻去佢哋唔同各自嘅 T account 嗰度。我哋就會分咗三類叫做 ledgers 嘅。第一個 sales ledgers 咧，就係 record 晒所有 trade receivables 嘅account 嘅，即係你當 sales ledger 就係一本大嘅簿。佢 record 晒我哋所有唔同嘅 trade receivables，即係我哋嘅 credit customers。而 purchase ledger 又係一本大嘅簿，我哋 record 晒所有我哋嘅 trade payables 嘅 T account。例如我有 trade payable A supplier、B supplier、C supplier 等等，我哋全部就會入晒喺我哋嘅 credit purchase 嘅即係 trade payables 就會全部係 purchase ledger 嗰度噶啦。所以佢哋有第二個名嘅 sales ledger，第二個名係 trade receivables ledgers 啦。而 purchases ledger 嘅第二個名叫做 trade payable ledger，就係啦，我哋分咗主要呢兩個係我哋嘅客人啦，同埋我哋嘅供應商。其他冚唪唥其他 T account 咧，我哋全部都會放喺 general ledger 嗰度噶啦。OK，others。 就係咁啦。好，咁咧我哋簡單咁介紹完之後咧，我哋開始睇啦，我哋嘅第一條啦。A1 paid rent by auto pay。咁我哋咧係 pay 咗錢出去噶嘛，我哋 pay 咗呢一個 expense，即係 auto pay。其實雖然佢好似想逼你咁樣，auto pay 咪真係等於 bank 咯，你喺銀行度自動轉賬過去啊嘛，咁所以一定係 cash book 啦，cash book。OK，第二個啦，bought goods from Amy on credit 嗱，你見到啦，on credit 中咗一個啦，goods 係 inventory 啱啦，中咗。咁我哋而家向 Amy Company 度買貨，咁所以唔會 sales journal 啦，咁就會係 purchases journal 啦。OK，嗱，記得有 S 嘅。跟住第三個啦，return goods of 300蚊 to Amy Company，佢已經出現咗啦，啱啱先出現完，即係我哋將我哋嘅貨退翻俾 Amy 啦，咁所以係 returns ours journal 啦。第四項，goods amounting to 560蚊 were taken away by Mary for her personal use。咁 Mary 係我哋自己啦，Mary，OK，老細攞咗公司嘅嘢自己用，咁一定係 drawings 啦。咁我哋咧，究竟入去邊個 books of original entry 咧，就 depends on 究竟佢 drawings draw 咗啲乜嘢啦。如果咧佢係 draw 咗 cash 嘅話咧，draw 個 bank 嘅話咧，咁我哋就入 cash book 啦，因為關錢即係銀行啊 bank cash 事啊嘛。咁但係因為而家佢呢個係 goods 嚟嘅，咁我哋咧係入唔到其他，即係1 2 3 4 5咧呢一度，我哋揀唔到佢入邊個嘅話咧，咁佢就係 general journal 啦。咁所以呢一個 drawings of goods 咧就會係 general journal 啦。哎呀，general journal 啦。跟住第五項啦，sold goods to Carmen on credit 又嚟啦，on credit goods 中晒兩個 criteria，我哋賣俾人嘅，咁所以 sales journal 啦。跟住第六項，issued and sent 隻 credit note 啦，佢考咗好多年㗎啦，你由2018年數翻我哋後面啲片咧，你可以睇下究竟出過幾多次，因為佢已經考咗好多次 credit note debit note 㗎啦。咁咧，我唔知道大家用咩方法記啦，我自己就直接背個表嘅，即係我係好膚淺嘅，我就咁嚟啦，我就咁背嘅啫。咁點樣背呢個表咧？咁我哋就有兩個動作啦，一係我哋就發出去俾人啦，一係咧我哋就收嗰張嘢啦，issue 或者 receive 啦。咁咧我哋有 debit note 同 credit note 啦。OK，我懶啦。咁咧我自己背一個動作嘅咧，就係 receive 呢個動作。receive debit 咧，咁我就記住啦，returns inwards 係 debit side 嘅，所以 receive debit note 就係 return inwards 啦。咁你其他就調翻轉就 OK 噶啦，就係咁。我淨係記咗 receive debit note 就係 return invoice，咁其他你調翻轉就 OK 噶啦。咁你到時你畫翻個表就好快可以知道係邊個啦。咁所以 issue credit note，OK，揾翻啦。issue credit note，咁佢係 returns invoice 咯。咁所以 VI 呢度就係 returns invoice journal 啦。OK，跟住再落啦。Received an electricity bill of 5600蚊 for 啦，你記得睇翻日期，2017年12月嘅。which would be settled by check in 2018年。咁你而家係呢一刻咧係2017年嘅12月嘅啫。咁即係對於你嚟講咧，呢筆錢呢個 receive electricity bill，你淨係收到嗰張電費單啫。你啲錢你幾時交呢個費用咧？你喺下年度嘅。咁即係你喺2017年嘅時候咧，呢一個咧係你嘅accrue 嘅 expense 嚟噶啦，你收到張單啫嘛，但係你未俾錢嘅，咁所以我哋唔會入 cash book 啦。佢想逼你入 cash book 嘅，但係因為你2017年都未俾，咁所以你未入 cash book 住啦，咁所以佢入唔到其他，咁所以就會係 general journal 啦。OK，咁所以好明顯佢呢度係想逼你嘅啫，check。如果你18年嘅時候，你做緊18年嘅數，咁你咪入落 cash book 咯。但係因為呢一刻你係2017年啊，咁所以你就要入 general journal 啦，跟住再落。第八項 cash sales to the company，OK，cash sales 見到 cash，咁一定係 cash book 啦，唔需要猶豫啊。跟住第九項 issue 嗱又嚟啦，issue and send debit note，睇翻個表咯，issue debit note return hours 咯。咁所以呢個係 return hours journal 啦。OK，咁當然到時咧，我唔知道佢考評局出咗咁多年咧，佢會唔會想稍微 tricky 啲啦？咁可能佢用即係佢用嗰個主角未必係用翻我哋 Mary 嘅，可能係講緊我嘅 customer 即係例如Sandy，我哋嘅 customer issue and send a debit note to Mary。咁 Sandy 係我哋嘅客啊嘛，佢 send 俾我哋，即係我哋 receive 咯，即係可能佢可以咁樣去 twist 嗰啲問題嘅字眼，但係其實你只要稍微留心少少，你就會大概知道究竟佢想玩啲乜嘢㗎啦。OK，好，最後一個啦，bought a motor van on credit for 1700。嗱，首先 on credit 咁真係唔會輪到落去 cashbook 嗰度啦，因為你係賒住數咁買嘅。但係你 motor van 喎，你又唔係 goods 喎，你 match 唔到我哋呢個 inventory 呢一個位喎，咁所以佢只能夠喺 general journal 啦，general journal。OK，就係咁啦。分類咧係唔難嘅，只要你通咗我哋頭先解釋呢度 quick review 所有嘢咧，其實你分類係一啲都唔難嘅，你5分就已經穩袋落袋啦。OK，好，咁跟住咧，我哋落到去 B part 嗰度啦。咁咧 B part 嗰度咧，我哋就叫我哋咧 state the account and corresponding ledgers to repose from books of original entry 啦。咁咧佢呢一個 state the account 即係我哋嘅 T account 啦。咁我哋將個 T account 即係寫翻究竟 transaction three 呢一個 T account 有啲乜嘢，咁佢屬於邊一個即係 corresponding 嘅 ledger，我哋頭先講咗分呢3個類別嗰度啦。OK，from the books of original entry。好啦，咁我哋望翻啊 B part 嗰度，B part 咧3呢度 returns goods to Amy Company，即係我哋 returns hours 啊嘛，係咪？returns hours 啊，咁所以我哋諗翻啦，我哋個 double entry 咧，我哋就會係 debit 咗，寫低先，我哋 debit 翻我哋個 trade payables 啦，trade payables。即係呢一個 Amy Company 啦，credit 翻 returns hours 啦。咁呢一個係我哋第一步啦，我哋要 state the account 啊嘛，寫埋俾佢先。accounts，跟住咧 corresponding 嘅 ledger 咧，佢 corresponding 嘅 ledger 咧，我哋就諗啦，trade payables Amy Company，咁佢 belongs to 就係我哋呢個 trade payables ledger 啦，又或者我哋叫做 purchase ledger 啦。咁佢就會係屬於我哋嘅 purchase ledger，而 return hours 佢唔屬於 trade receivables，亦都唔屬於 trade payables，咁所以佢就會係 general ledger 啦。OK，就係咁啦，2分咯我有。跟住咧 C part 啦，give one function of keeping books of original entry。咁我哋點解要 keep books of original entry 咧？咁你呢個你直接背咗佢啦。原因咧就係首先我哋有 keep 呢個 books of original entry 咧，我哋係想 reduce fraud 啦，即係我哋唔想俾人哋 manipulate 去做假數啦。因為可能你俾錢買即係採購係一個人，咁你嗰會計嗰度可能其中一個同事收翻啲單入落去呢一個books of original entry 度，跟住我哋再 post 上 T account，可能再即係做之後嘅流程等等啦。我哋想 prevent 個 fraud 嘅，咁所以第一個咧，佢個 function 咧就係 segregation of duties 啦。其實佢就係將嗰個 duties 分開翻，咁咧就 which could reduce fraud。咁就去減低佢嘅即係做假數嘅風險啦。又或者咧，第二個咧都係啦，佢就係facilitate posting to ledger account。即係我哋如果冇咗 books of original entry 咧，我哋總不能每次發生咗一個 transaction，我哋即刻有時間抹落去 T account 嗰度噶嘛，咁好嘥時間。咁所以我哋就會有一個 books of original entry，就係順住時序咁 record 咗先，我哋之後再將佢 post 去 T account 嗰度咁樣咯。咁就係咁啦，第一條。